Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. In case you didn't know, Capcut has returned to mobile apps. Woohoo! I just started using Capcut while the ban had been on, and I was using it on my PC. And today I heard on the news that the ban was up, so I thought I would broadcast it here in case you hadn't heard. And since I'm new to Capcut, I had an account set up on my PC. So today when I downloaded, and by the way, the version that's now out is 13.7. When I downloaded the app on my phone and opened it, I was able to sign in with my existing account that I had set up on my laptop, and it automatically syncs. So all the information from my previous videos and other setups are all there. So thought I'd let you know, in case you hadn't heard yet, Capcut is no longer banned in the USA on mobile devices. Have a great day. Bye-bye.